Okay, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how to know if your SCUML certificate is real or fake. So somebody reached out to me and he complained that he actually asked somebody to help him register a SCUML certificate, and then for some reasons which I don't want to start bothering you on this video, he suspected that that certificate might not be real. So he came to ask me if it is real or not. We did our confirmation, and guess what? It was a fake SCUML certificate. Okay, so I told the person it's easy. Actually, you can actually track the status of your SCUML certificate. So if somebody is doing this job for you and you want to know if the process is already started, okay, you can track the process in a way, and then even after the person has issued you the certificate, you can also confirm if it is real or not. Now, some of the reasons why people could come up with fake stuff like this is because SCUML certificates can really delay. I mean, out of all the registrations that I do, SCUML seems to be the one that delay most times. So usually when people come to me and say they want to run their SCUML certification, I always advise them to go for the fast track, because with the fast track, in between 3 to 7 days, you are sure that your certificate is going to be out. But then if you're just doing the normal registration on their website and waiting for it to be certified and for your certificate to come out, sometimes it takes a long time. So I think that long period of time gives people rooms to do stuff and just give you something that is not true. But then it's easy for you to be able to track. So let's assume that somebody is running this for you, and then the certificate is out and you just want to be sure that what they gave you is real. All you need to do is open your browser, and then you want to come to scuml.org as you see here. So I'm going to open that up. It's a very simple process to verify. Alright, so once it opens up, you just want to scroll all the way down to this SCUML verify SCUML certificate. Okay, so here you can see SCUML application status. So if you really want to know if the person has started doing the job, all you need to do is to click on the last button, and then all you need to just do is to come here and type in the name of your company as you have registered it on CAC. Okay, so if you do that and you search, you will be able to know if the okay, let me just put one here. I did a job for somebody. Okay, so let's just search this and see what it's going to give us. So you can see here that the status says issued, and you can see that the CAC registration number is showing here, and this is the company name. So that means EFCC SCUML recognizes this company that I just did this job for. Okay, so that is one, but let's go back. All right, so if your own certificate is not out yet, here is going to indicate pending. Okay, it's going to indicate pending so that you will know if this is happening. But let's assume that the person has not even started the job at all. So let me just type in my own company here, because I have not done SCUML for my own company, but let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, so I'm going to type in the name of my company here, and I'm going to click on search. So you can see here, no company found with the CAC details provided. Kindly contact SCUML for further information. So that means if yours comes out like this, it shows that the person has not started doing the job at all. So let's go back to the home page of SCUML and let me show you another one. All right, so here, if I want to check, maybe the certificate is out already and I want to check if it is real or not, all I need to do is to come to this verify SCUML certificate. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so once it opens here, you want to search with the SCUML number. So all you need to do is to go back to the certificate that was issued to you, and then you want to come right here, and then you just want to type in this number on the certificate. You want to copy the number, and then you want to check it up. You want to paste it in here, and then you want to click on search. Okay, so once you click on search, it's going to show you, as you can see here, this particular job has been done and it is registered, as you can see here. Okay, so you can see the number and then the name of the company. So this is how to verify your SCUML certificate, if it is real or not. So if you want to register your company on the SCUML certification and get your certificate, like I said, within 7 days, all you need to do is to contact me using the WhatsApp contact list in the video description, and I will be willing to help you do it. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I want to help me share it so that more persons that need information like this can get to see them. Okay, before I go, if you check on your screen, you will see that I have done other videos on how to properly do your SCUML certification registration, and how to also know if your company falls under a company that is supposed to be SCUML certified, so that you can start the process and then you don't have to start running helter-skelter for emergency when you eventually know that you need to register your company with SCUML. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.